Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TNTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster day to day, not only from a price action perspective, but if you look down here at the volume, by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, and there's definitely some updates here that need to be made. And updates relative to the last time I did it, which is via these red and green line annotations down here. So the last time I did it, I don't remember exactly when that was, but essentially what had happened, as a quick kind of recap, is the price entered into what we would call in the world of charts a channel pattern here. And then this morning was the breakout of the channel pattern, and this is just a classic technical pattern breakout. Broke out of the channel pattern, and the rest was history. Just continued to move upwards very nicely throughout the remainder of the day. So that is where, like I said, these updates need to come into play. And the first update is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that perhaps remember that last video I did and me talking about 60 cents as resistance, 60 cents would now be one of the newest areas of support that was established after today. A near-term level of support, and what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 69. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below there, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above 69, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, which is that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the current breakout that it's occurred is simply put, as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, any way you can picture it. Again, yeah, staying above 69 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in 100% control of the chart. So very nice breakout today. It'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow and see if this breakout can get some more continuation or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.